How to find drafts on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can find draft on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. And once you're on your home page, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of this interface. There, tap on the wheel option. Now, if you navigate to top left corner, there is a draft option. Tap on it. That's gonna take you to the draft section where you'll be able to find all the draft if you have made some on your account. If you have any draft saved, you will find it here. So that's how you can find draft on Instagram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.